Okay, so now we are going to start working the driver's side. As you see, we remove the piece of plastic right here. This tail light is definitely not working, only the little lamp on the side. And for being a right-handed, this is a position the light I'm gonna have. If I can work with both hands, or if I was a left-handed, I probably would be able to access here like this, but I'm a right-handed, so I have to flip the light to this position. We're gonna start by removing this section right here, and it's very much the same like the other one. We just have to flip the light. First thing we're gonna do is basically figure out where we're gonna be opening the light at. In front of this hump, there is a little hump here. We're just gonna take a circle. Take a circle around the little hump. Okay. And over here on the other side, this little hump, we're gonna cut a square, basically. Let's just say 1/8 millimeter from the middle of the hump, which is about, 1/8 of an inch, which is about 3 millimeter. Gonna got a little square here. So we expose this section and this section. We're gonna open those two sections together. Okay. Okay, when we're looking at this one, this is the piece we're supposed to fix. However, this piece is really very bad. Bad to the point. If we leave it in, it's probably gonna break inside the light and it's gonna short the light. So if you can get long nose plier, anything with long nose to grab it with, completely take it out, because even we can solder it in, it still will not be safe when you see it completely falling out inside. If this thing falls inside the light and with the car vibration you hit the bump, it goes up and it shorts the circles and the light is history. Of course, anybody who's been fixing the light for a long time knows that, but since I'm the only one who's been fixing those lights for a long time, I went through this experience. If we connect this, light should come on. So now we're gonna have to build a bridge with copper wires. Figure about 3 times, then the bridge will be very strong. We're gonna go on the other side of the light. See this hump here? Okay, we're gonna make a circle around the hump. The other hump, which is right here, I'm gonna go right in the middle. And we're gonna go 1/8 of an inch here, about 3 millimeter or 4 millimeter, and we're gonna build a square. or cut a square just be on it. Okay, so you got the square and you got the circle. You're gonna open them up together. Clean the excess plastic so it doesn't bother you when you're welding or soldering. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the first one, which we're gonna need to build a bridge for it so it doesn't short up anymore. So this one we're just gonna make it on 3. The normal one will make it on 2. Like this would be the normal one, and we're just gonna add one more. So we have a very strong bridge, and once we solder it in, it should be strong enough to last the life of the light. And as we did in passenger side, we're gonna solder the corner first, and then we're gonna build up in the middle. It's basically the same process for both sides, there's no trick. And of course we got your imaginary repair kit. I'm trying to line it up and right in the middle. And as we said, we line it up right in the middle so it won't touch up anything in the light. There's 2 other pieces of the board, and if it's touching any other pieces of the board, then the light will not work. You'll have a middle section of the light that's not working, and if it's not working in the middle, this means you're touching the other board, and then the light is not good. And it does happen regarding how long you've been fixing light. It does happen. Just need to clean some excess plastic here so we can line up this where we need it. And if you can see, it's lining up right in the middle. Here we got a soldering wire. This is a little bit heavier soldering wire. It's a 0.8. And we're gonna start on this side first. Yeah, this side looks good. All the lights seem to be working. Go back to the other side. Let's call it the driver side lower section. Yeah, we're just again making sure it's not loose anywhere. Lights seem to be working fine now. Next thing would be sealing the lights, and we're just gonna change the tips like we did before and use a thick one. So we're changing from the soldering tip to the wider tip like this one, so we'll be able to melt the plastic back in place, and then we'll put a layer of silicone, and then we'll be good to go. Same thing we did in the other side. We're just gonna allow tiny pressure or little pressure on the plastic that it melts. And then we're gonna add the plastic we removed from the light back onto it. Okay, so this side is sealed. We're gonna go the other side. Gonna do exactly the same thing. With mils of plastic, and we will cover extra pieces from the one we removed before, and the slide would be good to go. I'll just put another layer of silicone on top of it, so it won't leak or seal anymore. And you got your both your light fixed, and you don't have to go spend $1,500 at a dealer. Of course, if after all this video you couldn't fix your light, or you figure you don't want to fix your light, video's too complicated, my accent is really bad, all of the above, you can always send us your light and we'll credit you for the video. But that's the only refund you're gonna get if you decided that you're gonna fix your video and fix your light, and won't refund your video. It's not gonna work. That's why we give you an option of sending us the light. So if you don't want to fix your light after you watch the video, you can always ship us the light with a return label, and we'll fix the light for you the same way we're doing here, and we'll ship it back to you as soon as we finish. If there is any question regarding the repair or the sectional repair, or you fix a light and it's not working right, you're welcome to call us or email us and ask for a call back, and I will call you as soon as I get a chance, or email you another video. There is more issue with the slide, but this is the most common issue. The other issue would be a sectional repair, like after you fix the light, there's either the middle section right here is not working, which is very common if it's your first time fixing the light, or this section right here is not working, and that's a different issue. Doesn't really have to do much with the repair, but we were able to fix it in several lights. It's a very rare issue, but based on the design, we see it's going to happen to a lot more light than the one we fixed. Now we're going to add a layer of silicone, and we're not going cheap on the light. And here we go, a layer of clear plastic. And just let the plastic right here. You can install the light right now, or you can wait for about a day for the silicone to dry, and then you can pull the plastic. Plastic is not going to affect the light performance in any way or shape. Now we got a good driver side working light, and we didn't have to spend $700-800 at the dealer. So I hope the video is useful to you. If you have any question, you're still welcome to email us or call us. If you can't fix the light or resist, and you're welcome to ship us the light. Thank you and have a good day.